Hello and welcome to MTU Math Lab's tutorial on recording with Camtasia. Before getting started with a new recording, it's necessary to set up the computer first to enable you to record the video you want. If you're using any additional equipment to record with, such as extra microphones or cameras, plug them into the computer located behind the screen. Once all of the devices you need are plugged in, open and prepare any files you will be using in the recording. Once everything is ready to go, you can move on to the recording process. Open Camtasia and click Record. It is possible to either record the whole screen or part of the screen. To select a section of the screen to record, click on the Custom button. This will allow you to drag the screen with the center or resize the screen with the sides. If you wish to change the shape of the rectangle, click on the Lock button next to Custom, and it'll allow you to adjust each side independently. If you had any other devices you wanted to use, this is where you would select them. To use a camera, click the button above Camera Off, and use the side arrow to select which device you want. If you are using the camera that's located in the room, move the camera to the desired position using the arrow keys on the small remote located on the table. By default, the microphone will be selected as on. If you don't want to record your voice, turn this option off. If you are recording your voice, select the source that you want to record from. It is recommended you plug in a microphone for better audio. There will be a pair of headphones that contain a microphone in the room. Next to the microphone is a volume level. When you speak, there should be a colored bar that shows you how loud the sound is, like this one shown here. Try to adjust the levels so that your loudest noise shows just above the yellow and not into the red. These are all the settings you will need to set. Before recording your video, try recording some test runs. Click Record and wait for the counter to count down. Once the video is recording, start talking, doing all of the movements you're going to do in your video, and then stop the video. Now that video will be shown on the bottom, and you can listen to it and make sure everything is good to go. If everything is how you want it to be, then go ahead and record and make your video.